Can I remove myself from a group text on iPhone or Android?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a question that many smartphone users often have. Can I remove myself from a group text on iPhone or Android? If you've ever been added to a group text that you'd prefer not to be part of, this video is for you.
Can I leave a group text on iPhone?
The ability to leave a group text on an iPhone largely depends on whether it's an iMessage or SMS, MMS group chat. iMessage group chat: if you're part of an iMessage group chat, which typically means all participants are using iPhones, here's what you can do. 1. Open the Messages app. 2. Click on the group text you wish to leave. 3. Tap on the group name or contact bubbles at the top. 4. Scroll down and tap on Leave this conversation. Just remember, you can only leave an iMessage group chat if there are at least 3 other people in it. SMS, MMS group chat: if the group text is an SMS, MMS group chat, unfortunately, there's no way to remove yourself from it. The Messages app on iPhone does not have an option to leave SMS, MMS group chats as it does for iMessage chats.
Can I leave a group text on Android?
On an Android device, leaving a group text depends on the messaging app you're using. Android Messages: if you're using Android Messages, you can't leave a group text, but you can mute notifications. To do this, 1. Open the Messages app. 2. Open the group text you wish to silence. 3. Tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner. 4. Tap on Details. 5. Enable the Mute Notifications option. Other messaging apps: some Android messaging apps, like WhatsApp and Signal, do allow you to leave group chats. 1. Open the group chat. 2. Tap on the group name at the top. 3. Scroll down and find the Exit Group or similar option. In conclusion, whether you can leave a group text depends on both the type of phone you have, iPhone or Android, and the type of group text, iMessage, SMS, MMS, or another messaging app. For some, you can leave, and for others, the best you can do is mute the notifications. Always remember to respect other participants and let them know if you're leaving the group chat. I hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day!